I'm sure you've heard the news. Interior design just got a whole lot easier with Corners Joint. Let's dive in. Meet Corners Joint, your new best friend in interior design. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a first-time renter, they've got you covered. Why choose Corners Joint? First, they offer personalized design services tailored to your taste. No cookie-cutter solutions here. Second, their expert team ensures every detail is spot on. From color palettes to furniture placement, they've mastered the art of creating beautiful spaces. And let's talk convenience. Corners Joint handles everything. You just sit back and watch your dream home come to life. Worried about budget? Corners Joint offers flexible packages that won't break the bank. Style and affordability, a perfect match. Plus, their customer service is top-notch. Got a question or a last-minute change? They're just a call away. So why wait? Give your home the makeover it deserves with Corners Joint. Because everyone deserves a space they love to live in. Corners Joint, where your dream design becomes reality.